Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you this incredible tool called Video to Blog Editor, which instantly converts videos into powerful blog articles. So this is a sample of an article I've generated with the tool. You can see how beautiful the article is with so many images, even code within. You can see the images. They are screenshots taken from this video created about cloud panel setup, and these are my other videos. So this is the video I used. So what I did, I just went to the share button, copied the link. Also, you can also copy the link directly from on top of the browser, and then I went to this tool and I pasted the link there. You can see it has detected that video. Now I want to add visuals. I'll allow the embed of the video. And then I want to add the feature called add screenshot so that we may have images. I also want to add some internal links. So to do that, click on add a link. And then I'm clicking on add a link. The link I want to add is this link here. So I'll copy that link, highlight it, and then I copy it. I'll paste the link there as plain text. So okay, it's trying to see if the link is available, and then so the content, the description of that link, I'll just add the one I have here, which is get Contabo for $5. I'll copy this, highlight it, and then I copy it. Oh good, it has actually just drawn the description, the title of the video, which is okay with me. You can add more links, internal links if you want, or even a sitemap. So on the more option, this is the more interesting part. So the length, you can choose different length. For this one, for the illustration, I'll use the short one. And then English, you can just leave it as auto. The tone, you can choose whichever tone that is interesting for you. I kind of find the auto one just works perfectly most times. Point of view, first person, second person, and so forth. I always prefer the first person, or you can just leave it as auto. So I will just put first person because it's my video, the one who created it. So the primary key which I want the video to rank for, I want it to rank for the title, which is Cloud Panel Setup on Contabo VPS. Okay, so I highlight that. After highlighting, I'll copy and paste it here. I want to make some correction. Cloud panel should be one word. Yeah, it should be cloud panel. That's the right word. And then there's so many things you can do. Format, add emojis and so forth. Just click on that, but those icons to see what each tool does. Afterward, scroll upward, click on the try for free, or sometimes it can just be run now. Once you click on it, give it a few seconds or a minute, and then you have the output. So you can see this is the output. It's a beautiful article. So this is the introductory part, and again you can see I have the embedded video, very good images. Actually, you can edit the images. If you click on edit image, you can see it has saved different screenshots which you can change. You can also download the image if you want to download and save it as a copy to your desktop. And then the alignment of the image, I prefer the central alignment, and you can also delete it if you want to. So another image, very beautiful screenshot from within the video. These are not AI generated. And then you can see even code, the code I was talking about within the video, it picked up. So there are different ways to export this one. You can export it as an HTML markdown format or a Word document, and you can also integrate onto WordPress, wordpress.org. They also have other integration options like Wix and Spotify, which are great, or Blog and Medium. I will suggest that you integrate it with your WordPress. But for the sake of a illustration, I don't want to make it lengthy. I'll just highlight everything. After highlighting everything, I'll copy it, Control C to copy, and then I'll go on my website backend, and I'll just paste it there. As you can see, it just pastes everything well. All the images have been imported, even the code and the text. Okay, this one is in the wrong place, so I'll copy that and then I delete it from there. I want it to be at the title. Okay, it's the title. You can see the embedded video, which is really amazing, really amazing. And then what else? Okay, these are the images. So when you'll be publishing, you'll be asked to import them to your WordPress site. Make sure to import them when you click on the publish button to ask you to import all these images. Make sure to import. Now the pricing model, we have 3 pricing: Starter, Pro, and Pro Plus. The Starter one has 10 blogs. You will save 35% when you go for the yearly plan. The second one has 30 blog posts for $29 per month. And then the last one, 100 blog posts per month. You can actually create, scale up so quickly. There are so many videos out there which they don't have articles. So as you can see, this is the article I generated. I've shown you the entire process. Make sure to use my link in the description below.